As an OFW, I've been away from home from quite some time, but my love for video games has never been faded. I used to collect consoles like Family Computer, Game Boy, NES, Super Nintendo, and PlayStation back in the day. These consoles were a big part of my childhood and helped me escape into the worlds of fun and adventure. However, with work and life moving fast, I stopped collecting for a while and missed the previous consoles that Nintendo and PlayStation had to offer, until I decided to come back into video gaming. Since I'm working overseas, I live in a small bed space, but that doesn't stop me from building a cozy gaming setup that reflects my passion for gaming. With just enough room for my laptops, a few shelves for my mobile phones, and my collection of game controllers, my setup is simple but perfect for me. And the best part, I made room for a new addition to my collection. On my recent birthday, my wife surprised me with an amazing gift, a Nintendo Switch OLED Mario Edition. I never expected to get such a thoughtful present, and it was the perfect addition to my gaming setup. The vibrant colors of the console, paired with a sleek OLED screen, make it the ultimate gaming experience, even in my small bed space. To start off my new Nintendo Switch adventure, my first game cartridge was Super Mario Wonder. The nostalgia and joy of playing a Mario game again on a new console made me feel like a kid again. The graphics, the gameplay, and the overall experience are just incredible. I can't wait to explore more titles and add them to my growing collection. Looking back, my collection of Family Computer, Game Boy, Super Nintendo, and PlayStation consoles reminds me of all the great memories and the joy that video games have given throughout the years. And now, with a Nintendo Switch in my collection, it feels like a new chapter in my gaming journey. One that I can continue to share with my family even from far away. So even as an OFW, I make sure to carve out time to enjoy the things I love, like gaming. My bed space gaming setup may be small, but it holds so many memories and new experience. I'm excited to continue collecting and exploring new games. And with the Nintendo Switch now in the mix, the adventure is just beginning.